来了，领导来的也爱吃，会吃的很多。
The prolonged military standoff in the border area of India and China, which was started in May 2020, has severely affected the Indo-China border crisis talks. Pentagon's 2021 annual report has firmly blamed the Chinese People's Liberation Army for the series of confrontations that resulted in bloody clashes. The PLA launched incursions into customarily Indian-controlled territory across the border and concentrated troops at several standoff locations along LAC. Earlier in the year 2021, it was reported that China built a large village in a disputed area in Arunachal Pradesh and has been taking incremental actions to press its claim on the line of actual control. As a part of a sharp rise in Chinese activity in the Arunachal sector in the year 2020, China has managed to establish 2 villages in parts of Indian-controlled state Arunachal Pradesh. After which, blaming the government, opposition leaders and critics raised questions on the measures taken by the Modi government and their silence about the issue.
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी के सामने रखा था, जिसको उन्होंने नामंजूर कर दिया, और मैं आपका धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं कि आपने मुझे बोलने का अवसर दिया। सभापति महोदय, कुछ दिन पहले बहुत चिंताजनक खबरें सार्वजनिक हुई थी कि भारत की सरजमीन में जो अरुणाचल प्रदेश का अपर सुबनसिरी जिला है, उसमें चीन ने घुसपैठ कर भारत की सरजमीन में अपने गांव स्थापित किए और इन खबरों के ऊपर सरकार की तरफ से अभी तक कोई स्पष्टीकरण नहीं आया है। मैं आपके माध्यम से सरकार को ये आग्रह करना चाह रहा हूं कि ये अरुणाचल प्रदेश को लेकर जो खबरें सार्वजनिक हुई थी कि चीन ने हमारी सरजमीन में अपने गांव स्थापित किए हैं और जो पूर्वी लद्दाख में अप्रैल 2020 से तनावपूर्ण स्थिति बनी हुई है, उसके ऊपर सरकार इस संसद में विस्तृत बहस करवाए और जो सार्वजनिक जो असली परिस्थिति है, जो वास्तविक स्थिति है, वो इस सदन के समक्ष रखे।
Military experts say the aim of constructing the bridge in the Kurnak area could be to ensure that the PLA can quickly mobilize its troops in the region. The bridge is being constructed in areas that have been under illegal occupation by China for around 60 years now, and India strongly condemns such illegal occupancy. On December 29, 2021, the Chinese government renamed 15 places of Arunachal Pradesh. And experts believe China is renaming disputed locations in Asia to bolster its territorial claims and build evidence to support those claims in case of any sovereignty disagreements land in court. Amid these unresolved border issues, China's new law on land borders, passed on October 23, 2021, came into effect on January 1, 2022. The law states that the sovereignty and territorial integrity of China are sacred and inviolable, and asks the states to take measures to safeguard territorial integrity and land boundaries and guard against and combat any act that undermines them. The state can take measures to strengthen border defense, support economic and social development, as well as opening up in border areas, improve public services and infrastructure in such areas, encourage and support people's life and work there, and promote coordination between border defense and social economic development in border areas. Overall, the law pushes the colonization of the Chinese in the border areas. Finally, breaking up prolonged silence in a weekly briefing on January 6, 2022, the Indian Ministry of External Affairs stated, as regards report about a bridge being made by the Chinese side on Pangong Lake, the government has been monitoring this activity closely. Calling it a ridiculous exercise to support untenable territorial claims, India also dismissed China's act of renaming 15 places in Arunachal Pradesh. On the other hand, Chinese media reports emphasize that China is in a stronger position but chooses not to take tougher actions. They claim that China and the US will eventually get over their differences and unite, suggesting India to reconsider its position. However, the future of the long-run dispute still remains questionable.